This video shows how to review analytics for a completed quiz when study support is enabled. Use Lumi Insights to identify where learners may need additional support and which resources are most helpful. Insights include the quiz question with the most incorrect responses, the most recommended activity, and the most viewed content. Lumi Insights appear on the quiz topic page in the new content experience. To enable study support, open the quiz for editing and turn on the study support toggle under Evaluation and Feedback section. If the quiz questions have outcomes associated, on the study support page, select Include a generated overview of learners' quiz attempt results. Click Next, and then click Activate Study Support. Alternatively, if there are no outcomes associated on the study support page, click Next. Select Suggest from selected course activities, and then click Select Course Activities to recommend course content. Select the desired activities. Click Apply. Click Next. And finally, click Activate Study Support. In Content, open the module that contains the quiz. Then select the quiz topic. The Lumi Insights panel appears above the completion summary. If Lumi Insights are not visible, verify the setting and check that learner activity exists for the quiz. Select the card to view more details. Scroll down to the Intervention Suggestion section to review quiz questions and their associated content. You can also reach out to learners who struggle with the quiz questions. Select Email All Learners, and Lumi will generate a draft email to help you communicate effectively with learners. Now you know how to review analytics for a completed quiz to better understand learner study progress. Thanks for watching.